Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to install some SteamOS onto the desktop PC. First things first, you got to get rid of that NVIDIA GPU. SteamOS only supports AMD GPUs at the moment, wink wink. So for the job today, I got me a 6650 XT in place of that 2070 Super, quite equal. You're also going to need a flash drive in order to install the SteamOS onto your desktop. So you're gonna head on over to Google and go look up the Steam Deck recovery image. Hit that first link for the Steam support page, and it should give you the instructions on how to recover your Steam Deck. But you're gonna be downloading that, and we're gonna be also downloading Etcher. Etcher will be used to make the flash drive a bootable disk with the ISO image on it. So once those finish downloading and whatnot, you're gonna get your flash drive, and then you're gonna go open up Etcher, find your files that you downloaded, the Steam Deck repair file, and then you're gonna flash that on over to that flash drive. It's gonna take a little bit, so might as well wait. Once that finishes, you're gonna plug that flash drive on into the desktop that you want to install SteamOS on. Make sure you hit that delete key, span that joint, get into the BIOS, and we're gonna boot from that flash drive, UEFI, but we're gonna do partition 1. I don't know nothing about that second partition, don't do nothing with that. It's gonna do its thing, normal Linux stuff when it start up. And you just wait until they get to the main desktop page. So here, you want to do this re-image the Steam Deck. Basically, it's gonna turn the PC into a Steam Deck. So once you re-image it, you're gonna reset it. It's gonna restart, but you're gonna restart it and go back into your BIOS and boot the partition 1. And then do reinstall SteamOS to fully install the SteamOS. Gonna let some time pass, and it's gonna greet you with another dialog box saying, hey, you need to reboot. Go ahead, proceed, reboot. It's gonna take about a good minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes to, fully come back up. Then you'll be greeted with, hey, look, it's a brand new Steam Deck. And then you set it up as usual. Now, the reboots in between each boot, it will take some time. It's gonna take some time, like I said, about a minute and a half to 2 minutes between each reboot. But eventually you'll get to the Steam Deck, greet page, where you're allowed to sign into your account, etc., etc. And congratulations, you've got a desktop Steam Deck. And also to let y'all know we legit, we got the SteamOS Hollow, and we got the OS variant Steam Deck, and we're running 3.6.2. We also have the 5600 X3D CPU installed, 6 cores, 12 threads, with 32 gigabytes of RAM, along with that 6650 XT. So there you go. You can start downloading your games, downloading Proton, and get to playing. I'll leave the links to everything down in the description, and you guys have fun now. Thanks for watching.